Hello everyone, and welcome to the daily technical video day. Guys, it's around 9 p.m. here in New York time, and we're gonna proceed with the regular structure on the video. First we're gonna start with the US dollar index. Guys, the US dollar index is been doing exactly what we say over the weekend that it's gonna be doing. Now we are in the moment of truth on the US dollar. A new high about 74.92. We make 5 ways from this low, and consequently that's gonna be US dollar bullish. After those 5 ways, as you guys know, what we're expecting is Windex and then acceleration in favor of the dollar. That's what we're expecting on the US dollar so far. Now what we need is, guys, very simple. We need the US dollar index to get a new high before it trade to around 74 area. That's all we need in the US dollar index. I believe that the next 12 hours the US dollar is gonna make a decision. The market is gonna make a decision which way we're gonna go. Alright, so we still favoring the long dollar, but we don't gonna become a US dollar bullish until we see these 5 ways down. After that, you guys gonna see how the trade is gonna appear every day, because we are in a process when the market is showing its face. It looks like the dollar is gonna make the change and the trend, but we have to wait and see. Alright, that's for the dollar. From oil, same scenario, guys. The oil, not really much happening in oil other than it break down a little bit below as far as this low in oil is holding, which is 95.02, and this low 94.63 holding too, we're still seeing the scenario when oil is gonna trade around 107 before committing to another round of selling. That this can be many things, but it's everything that imports to the downside or either the upside. So it can be a triangle, or like a triangle here, when this is one base, this is the other. We have to wait and see, guys. Alright, we have to wait and see. In individual pairs, let's move on to the individual pairs now. Okay, guys, this is the euro dollar in a 1 hour chart. You guys know our position. We're still seeing like a 1, 2, a 3, and a 4 right now. The euro should turn lower at any moment. Maybe it hit the 38.02 like we were saying, and it returned around, I would say, a good 70 picks. Now I didn't get a new high here compared to this. We were trying to fade to the downside the new high when this was taking place. If it's gonna take place here, this is now makes more questionable. Euro, guys, very simple. You got 3 waves from the top, even though there is any scenario when you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as an extended. We don't like it. We don't like it only for the reason that, I don't know, it's possible because I understand the wave 5, but we have to wait and see. This looks corrective, but the euro is very famous too. The euro is very famous for nesting, and all of a sudden, boom, and go to the outside. So we have to wait. That's our way of trading in some degrees. If you got it from here, you're okay. If no, you have to wait. You have to wait 5 waves for whatever the high it is right here. Still, let me cover something here in case that it goes corrective, and this is the 1 2 1 I'm sorry 1 2 3 4 5 still a chance that the euro can go to 144.80, 144.44 area, and even 145 area. So do not get surprised. This market denying the new high right here after this move was pretty clear. I mean, that concerns me in some degrees. Now, if we see 5 ways here, that 5 ways can be a combination of a flat. When you got this is like this is A, B, or this is W. I mean, it's very complex. It looks corrective. That's all I can tell. We're still waiting for the 5 ways down, like around 142.50 area, to try to serve the 3-way back. All right, that's for the euro, guys. Now, there is 2 pairs that concern me a little, and we've been all over the weekend. We've been all over the weekend. The first on the last 2 weeks. The first one is the pound. The pound is bullish. This is a bullish structure, guys, and the pound should trade higher, at least to around 165.47. That's when the pound should trade, at least about 145.47. So if that bullish pound, it kind of put out like an enigma in the dollar short and the euro short, because if the euro is gonna get if the euro is gonna drop, that means the dollar is gonna get strength, but the pound is gonna get strong. So think about it. Euro drop, euro higher, pound higher. Always gonna be the same. Pound highest when the euro go high. So be careful with that. We're careful with the shorts on the euro. That's all I have to say in some degrees. Another one that is a beauty is the Aussie dollar. As you guys know, the Aussie dollar either here is nesting or the bullish scenario is taken out of the blue. But where if you're expecting a higher move, it's possible that the Aussie dollar is nesting. A move below 105.32 is very bullish, and then that is gonna invalidate in some degrees discount. What else? I mean, the dollar Swiss, guy. Look at the dollar Swiss, guys. This is unbelievable. We didn't get filled today. We got a read at 85, but we didn't get filled for less than a pip. And now the pair is trading exactly what we saying that we were doing. That's unbelievable. What we're part of trading that happens to us. To all. A new low right here is gonna be very bullish for the Swiss, because even though after this new low we're gonna get 3 ways back, that means that another round of US dollar selling is gonna take place. Guys, gold, silver, everything is the same. The yen pairs, I see the yen started to gain weak in some degrees, so be aware of that. This is another pair that is doing like a nice structure, which is the euro CAD is doing a nice structure here, when we should be in some degrees in wave 4, because this is too perfect. 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Look at the angle right there, and then look at the divergency. One more new low here, we make 5 ways on the dollar CAD, and that's gonna create a temporary top right here. Okay, guys, so let's leave it there. Let's see tomorrow. S&P about the same. We still believe the S&P is in the flat and should trade lower tomorrow. Thank you, guys.